September 25th, 2013 at the Ocotillo Wind Project. I woke up in the middle of the night last night to this sound that sounded like a jet engine that never passed over our house. We sleep with our windows open now that it's cooled off. I woke up with this extremely bad headache, this feeling of anxiety, just this nauseous feeling. I couldn't get back to sleep. These wind turbines completely surround my home. 112 wind turbines. As close as a half a mile from my house. I moved out to the desert to get away from the noise of the city. And now I'm faced with living next to these industrial scale wind turbines that are over 400 feet tall, that have blades that are over 173 feet long. Within a half a mile from my home. I moved out here to live out the rest of my life in the quiet, peaceful desert. This is now what I'm forced to live with.